Welcome to our extra organic tutorial on how to apply Flax wallpaper. We use rolls with a width of 53 centimeters. Before you start, first read the enclosed instructions. For attaching the Flax wallpaper, we recommend the extra organic Flax wallpaper glue based on natural ingredients. Add the glue to warm water while stirring constantly until a lump-free mass has formed. Now unroll the Flax wallpaper and check the panels for possible flaws. Cut the panels to length, adding a 6 cm for overlapping as you go. Cut the panels with a shop utility knife or scissors. Now determine the starting point for the first track. To do this, start in a corner and measure the width of the wallpaper from there -1 cm, in our case 52 cm. Draw a vertical line using a spirit level. Use the paste brush to apply the paste sparingly and evenly to the wall. Roll up the trimmed sheet and then start hanging along the plumb line. Align the panel exactly along the line. Roll lightly over the wallpaper from top to bottom, preferably with a pressure roller. We recommend the double seam cut for seamless attachment of the other strips of wallpaper. To do this, measure the next strip -2 cm along the wall, in our case 51 cm. For a vertical plumb line, we use the spirit level. Apply the glue in the same way as the first strip and align it along the plumb line on the wall. The second panel must overlap the first one. Using a spirit level and a shop utility knife, cut the wallpaper vertically downwards in the middle of the overlapping area. Be careful not to damage the wall. Then remove the 2 strips you cut off. Proceed in the same way for the next rows. After 3 panels, check whether the result is good and cut off any excess wallpaper along the ceiling and baseboard. Thank you for your interest and good luck with attaching our Flax wallpaper.